Good afternoon, and thank you for joining us today. We have a beautiful 2012 Cirrus SR20 G3 to show you. This aircraft is incredibly well equipped with the new Garmin Perspective Suite, fully integrated platform with GFC 700 autopilot, WAAS GPS receivers, and it has synthetic vision, providing you with highway in the sky, terrain avoidance, and visibility to other traffic targets. This aircraft also is equipped with air conditioning for those hot summer days, provides you with nice cool air on your flights. And with only 900 hours total time, this is truly a premium Cirrus SR20. Give us a call to talk about this aircraft. My name's Grant Sutherland with AirMart, and I look forward to talking to you.